Now, one of the last things that I want to show you about the Corkboard view, and I find the Corkboard view particularly useful in regard to this feature, is the ability to give labels to your different documents or scenes or chapters within your project. And so, say for example, I could go to the introduction here and I could say, let me create a new label. So I'm going to create a label here. Orange is fine as far as I'm concerned, and I'm going to call it to do. And so now I can click on a particular document and I can give it a label. I could say, okay, I've got things to do on this particular document, and it will change the pin of that document to reflect the color of the label status that I've given it. So let's go here and give this one, okay, this is just a concept at the moment, and I've given it a pin to reflect that status. Now that is, you can also apply a status over here in the binder. So if I right click here in the binder, I can go label, and I'm going to call this a chapter. So that's a chapter. Now, as you can see, it's not actually showing here in the draft folder. It doesn't reflect the status I've just given it. So if I go up into view and I can go Corkboard options, outline columns options, and then use label color in, you can choose whether you want your label colors to show in the binder. And there we go. So I can see immediately in the binder. And also over here, use label color in index cards. Now what you'll see now, as I go to the Corkboard view and look at my Corkboards, it has actually colored those cards completely with the label that I've applied to them. So yeah, just a very useful way to go about labeling your different documents within your binder, so you can quickly, just at a glance, really see where they're at. Obviously, it's very customizable, and you can use it as would best suit your workflow. And yeah, enjoy.